Not the funnest of times. All right. Sitting in a smoky room. Sí, porfa. Hello, how are you, man? Sitting in a smoky room. Hello, Lance. How are you, man? All right, so I'm looking for gold longs again. Again. I really like this price failure setup here. So I could in fact get involved in some gold longs right now. Where are you? GC contracts. Here, I'm gonna go long gold one contract. Small risk, about $300.
Order filled.
Stop loss is the lows of the candle. So 23. Let's see. My stop loss is at 23.51 far. Shit, sorry. 23. Um, 51 5. Good morning, Godspeed Freeman. So, this is a tiny risk, about $400. I do like this price failure in gold. Let me show you. So let's see. I'm gonna be very quick to get out of this trade if it doesn't run. So this is nah. This liquidity run right here, I dig a ton. I dig a ton. So 190, 180. And I'm going to start sending this live trades to the VAPs, right? In this format. In this format, live trade, buy gold now, stop loss in gold, down. And whenever I close, I'm gonna just send close gold now. Um, that's the only way I have found that I can send you these live trades because look at this. This is my performance. And this is the drawdown that I'm coming from, right? And this is the same drawdown. This is the same drawdown that we've had on the signals, but it's very, very hard to get off of the drawdown without my live trades. You know what? I'm gonna make a video about this. Hello everybody, Orlando here. So I wanted to tell you something about my live trades, right? Like the one that I just sent. Let me show you which one I'm talking about. I'm talking about this one right here. Let me go smaller. right there. This one right there on the VIP group, right? Where I say buy gold now. Stop loss in gold 23.51.5. This is a live trade, right? The one that I'm holding on right now in a little bit of a drawdown. And the reason that I'm sending you this trades on this format is because I want you to get all of my performance. For example, this is the drawdown that we are seeing on the signals, right? But it's really hard to get off of that drawdown without my live trades. And as you can see, I'm already up a ton from my peak drawdown by trading live, right? And I know not of all of you can join my live sessions, so I decided to send you my live trades in that format. So, but you have to be fast because these trades really happen really fast. For example, I'm about to close here at break even at now the break of the lows if that happens. So you need to be really fast in acting. Right, so if gold breaks with this area right here, I'm gonna be out. Gracias. Um, well, I'm actually liking the reaction to this OB, so I'm gonna hold it to make it or break it. It's okay by me. To this one right here. I have a small winner day. I think. Well, about 2K today, so I can afford this aggressive entry myself. I'm sitting in a smoky room. All right, so this is the price failure that I'm trading in gold. Very nice. Um, I actually should, GC go a little lower on my stop loss positioning, just below the spike low. Right. Let's have a look at U.S. equities. Equities. I'm sitting in a smoky room. Well, I'm waiting for this gap fill on the Nasdaq to look for longs, and I'm going to put on an alert here. Where does the gap fill? I don't know. Do I reckon around there? Here's where the gap fills, I think. I don't know. But here, at alert, right? And here is the top of that gap. I really need that fillage on the Nasdaq to look for longs. I mean, this was a little bit too aggressive, in my opinion, as longs. Hello, Khalid. How are you? Let's go to the 1 minute chart to see if we have some kind of a setup. No, we don't. On the ES, no. I'm sitting in a smoky room. All right, so I'm gonna cut this trade off around break even if that happens. If not, I'm gonna get stopped out on a small loss. I'm gonna still try for longs in this market, though. I've also been trading platinum quite aggressively. I have a ton of data now for platinum trades with my entry model, and it rocks, literally rocks. hmm hmm And oh shit, and I'm not too keen of trading BTC myself. Although I'm gonna show you what I had here in Bitcoin. I had this entry yesterday in Bitcoin, but I deleted my pending order. No, where was it? I think it was on the 50-minute chart. I had this entire zone in Bitcoin. Yeah, to the tick. I would have been, yeah, my entry was 68K long, right? I would have gotten triggered, but I deleted my pending order. This possibly will stop me out, but I'll keep looking for long. Yeah, stopped out.
Stop filled.
Sitting in a smoky room. All right, so this is no longer a price failure. No longer a price failure. No longer a price failure. All right, so this could be too wide. I mean, this is too aggressive of a dump for me to look for longs now. So moving on, looking for longs here on the E-mini Nasdaq or the E-mini S&P 500. Moving on from gold. So I mean, this kind of trading. I mean, if you are not used to losing, right? Just don't take my live trades, right? This is very aggressive trading, but this is the performance that you can get. Mm. Coffee. Oof, burned myself. All right, so I'm gonna go to the 1 minute chart. And I'll possibly enter long somewhere, yeah, somewhere around these levels. Possibly, I said. So we had unemployment claims today. Came much better than expected, and we had flash manufacturing PMIs and flash services PMIs. So I'm gonna get long on the Nasdaq or the S&P 500. No, I'm gonna get long on the Nasdaq now. Two contracts long
Order
on the
filled.
Nasdaq. Right, two contracts long on the Nasdaq. This the me. These are micro contracts, so I can't. I'm not putting a stop loss just yet. I don't have a hard stop. What I'm gonna do is this. Oh, there's no gap here. That's weird. I'm gonna add as it goes down. Don't follow me, right? At all. So the difference between these are micro contracts. I couldn't do this with the mini contracts um, because of the price per tick. All right. So if I am 1843.5, 18 26.25. Let's see. Here's that gap fill. So my hard stop would be around the 18 800 would be my last trade of the day. I'll probably add around the lows another two micro contracts. Mhm. Oh fuck! I forgot to send this. But you know what? That's okay. This kind of trades I'm not gonna send to the VIP group because this is just way too aggressive. And most of you don't trade futures, so you can. You're not going to be able to average down your price, your entry price, with CFDs. So yeah, I'll just send the true entry. I'm gonna place my hard stops though. Mhm. I'm sitting in a smoky room. Now, adding here would be ill advised because I wouldn't be averaging down my price, and I mean it's basically just adding to the same entry, right? So enhancing my risk, enhancing. So this is me today. Um, Here it is, $625 in platinum, and about this is GC and micro GC. So these are futures contracts on gold too, both of them. So I'm fine, right? I'm cool with what I'm doing. Deep perfume. I don't know if I lost connection. My connection has been not the best lately. Maybe we were getting that price failure now in gold. But I'm not trading price failures here anymore because of that hourly. But I'm liking this. I'm gonna wait for the close of this 15-minute candle and decide right here. Again, so we had equal lows on the hourly, right? This is what I'm trying to trade in gold. So pay attention. We had shit, kind of equal lows here. One and the second, right? So I'm trying to create trade this. Look at this hourly candle. This is the one that I traded and got stopped out. That was a price failure candle for me, right? So I'm still waiting for that. Why are you hunting shorts? Yeah, gold hit stop loss. Don't worry about that. Um, worry about the the whole picture. You should worry about this week. Don't focus on one single fucking trade. Focus on the entire big picture. So it doesn't matter. So I'm hunting. I'm hunting. Yeah, gold is super bearish at the moment, but this is just very short-minded, right? This market is super strong, super strong. So my idea is to start catching those longs, right, on price failure candles. If you don't like that, my trade idea, you should not follow. Definitely. I need to wait for this candle flip right here. Yup. I'm gonna be adding to this Nasdaq very soon. On the break of these highs, I'll be adding three more contracts and waiting for this. Waiting for this candle flip. Waiting for this candle flip to trade that price failure, right? I'm gonna move to a 3-minute chart. Um, I'm sitting in a smoky room. I don't like my entry. Um, I really wanted price to break with these lows and go somewhere to this level for me to be able to average down. I just don't like my my entry. But again, I'm gonna take what I have and I'm gonna add three more micros to on the break of these highs, and my hard stops will be the lows of the move. So look at the E-mini S&P 500. I'm sitting in a smoky room. Ba-da-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Whoa. That's a big ass candle. On and on and on. stranger. I don't think we're going to get it. All right, so this 50-minute candle closed bearish. This is by no means that we are not going to get that price failure. We can still get that, um, you know, that formation, that failure formation still. But again, if we break with this low or close below these candle lows, then definitely not will not be looking for longs anymore in this market. Mm. If I get stopped out here on, let me see if my stops are correctly placed on my Nasdaq. Yeah, on my Nasdaq longs, I'm gonna be done for the day, and I'm gonna take a mildly positive day. Mildly sires. Now I'm looking for a quick trade, quick scalp towards the 18,900. I'm sorry, to 1900 on the Nasdaq. That's what I'm looking for. Hi from South Africa. And indicators you're using? Love your guns and roses. Thank you. No, I don't use indicators. Just pure price action. There you go. We could plug some. Let's plug some indicators. What the fuck not? Let's plug some, you know, session volume profile. All right, heads up here. I'm gonna be adding 4 micros on the break of the highs. Heads up. This is going to average my price up quite a bit, so I have to be very fast on this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So heads up. Yeah, I'm liking this. This break will be where I'm gonna add my full position here on the Nasdaq. Sitting in a smoky room. Mhm. All right, let's wait. Yeah, super bearish. Gold is super bearish. No longer looking for longs. Um, we could in fact look for shorts, but I'm not gonna trade gold anymore today. All metals, kind of a bearish on a bearish pattern. Mm, Sliver. So tons and tons and tons and tons and tons. Yeah, I'm not trading metals today anymore. Um, I'm, I don't trade crude oil too much, but I do from time to time look at this market as it yields some very nice opportunities. Right now, there's nothing, and only focusing on Um, U.S. equities for now. Yesterday I traded this spike low on the FOMC. I chickened out because I made a mistake of trading the large contracts, um, and uh, my position was way too big. I wanted to trade four micro contracts, and but I mistakenly took four normal contracts. So I think I got this lows, and I closed around this level. Yeah. 1 minute. All right, heads up here. All right, heads up. 18, 19, 16. Heads up. Uy, perdón. Oh shit, sorry. I'm sitting in a smoky room. All right, did we plug some indicators here? I don't remember. Uh, um, let's have some volume profile. All right, so, ooh, heads up. This is looking super bullish. Have a look at the big difference between buyers and sellers at each single level. So I am most definitely on the right path. Heads up on that ad. Sitting in a smoky room. Also, a retest of the point of control will give me an ad. So in any case, a break of the highs or a retest of the point of control, and I'll add my full position. Strangers, dangers. Ooh. Would you look at this? All right, heads up. Yep, heads up here. I need that break. You know what? I'll just use some buy stops maybe. All right. Almost there. Almost there. I'm not gonna like my average price at all. I know it. I am not going to like it. Boom.
Order filled.
So here's my average price. I hate it. Mhm. Oh, here is the volume profile. Session volume profile right there. I'm sitting in a shamaki room, and here. If I don't see any follow through, I'll probably just get rid of this and be done for the day, guys. Um, I just don't like my entry. Uh-huh. But I'm okay with the risk. Also, every time I'm gonna be in front of my chart trading, I'll do a live show. So that means that possibly I'll be doing live shows during the Asian session for anyone in Southeast Asia or Australia or Asia. Yesterday was a very good session, scalping session, trading gold during the Asian session. So heads up to that. Um, I'm not too keen on trading the London session unless we have very important news. Um, but I'll do my best to do that too. Stranger danger. Oh, I will cut this position quite soon and be done for the day. Hmm. Yep, very much. I have two choices. Either I could drop this and lower my size, which is what I'm going to actually do. Lower my size by 3 on a break of these lows, or just have tight stop losses, which I don't like. So I'm gonna sell 3 here,
Order filled.
and I'll try to average down. Not the best start of this format, but you know what? That's what it is. Just need to focus on the big picture. Focus on the big picture. It doesn't really matter. But for now, I'm gonna be done for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.